Today we are filming in front of a live studio audience. Don't make me laugh again.
Sprite all along the edges in the middle of the pan. The live audience has to cooperate.
This is like the best thing I've ever had.
Can I have another one of these?
I recommend trying it. We tricked her. Hi, I'm Hailey, and today is a very special day because my cousin is joining me.
Hi, I'm Ella. Today we're going to be making dairy-free peach dumplings.
This is the famous Ella from Ella's lemon cookies, which were really good.
Yes, those are some of my favorite cookies ever.
Are you ready to get started?
Yep, let's do it.
Today we are filming in front of a live studio audience. Which consists of 3 people.
4.
4. Like 3.5 people. Okay, so what do I do first?
So we grease the pan, and now we're going to roll each piece in a crescent roll.
So we have frozen peach slices, and we're gonna roll them into crescent things.
Ooh.
Wow.
Am I supposed to put it this way or other way?
I don't think it matters.
Okay.
So I'm actually allergic to dairy, so we're using Earth Balance dairy-free butter to replace the butter, and we're using Pillsbury croissant rolls for the croissants. And we're using frozen peaches.
Which are dairy-free, no matter what. They should be.
Yeah.
So we finished rolling our peaches into our crescent rolls, and now
We have our melted butter. This butter is specifically made for baking, so whenever you're purchasing dairy-free butter, make sure to get one that's like that. And now we're going to add the sugar and barely stir it together.
Yep. So we have 1 1/4 cups of granulated sugar.
So now we're going to add 2 teaspoons of vanilla extract.
2.
You want to add it?
Sure.
So now we're going to stir this once or twice just to add in the vanilla. And now we're going to pour this over the entire dish filled with the croissant rolls and the peaches.
Yes. Oh, we gotta get the sugar out. All the sugar wants to stay at the bottom. Is it supposed to be like on top of them or at the bottom?
Yeah, it's supposed to be on top.
Because
Because it like caramelizes in the oven.
oh, that'll be good.
We should get it on that one at the end.
Oh yeah. Poor sad roll.
I know.
I can't see very well. Ooh.
And it's not
It's
supposed
like-
to be like super mixed.
Oh, really?
Yeah, you want it like the sugar a little bit separate.
Yeah, the vanilla was definitely separate.
Yeah.
They look delicious. We just finished putting the sugar mixture on top of the rolls, and now Sprite, right?
Yeah, so we're gonna pour 3/4 of a can of Sprite all along the edges in the middle of the pan.
Here. Do you know how much 3/4 of a can is?
It's approximate, so I don't think it
Oh, okay.
matters. Yeah.
That's good.
That's probably good.
About 3/4 a cup of the
Yeah.
I mean, not cup. About 3/4 of the can.
Yeah.
And now, cinnamon. It smells really good.
Yeah, I love cinnamon.
Does it say how much?
No, you just sprinkle it around the edges of the pan. Or like just around all of it.
Sprinkle cinnamon to your heart's desire.
Until it's like pretty. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah.
Okay.
Now we're going to bake this at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 40 minutes. Voila! The peach dumplings are done.
And now it's time for the best part. We're gonna try them. They look so good.
And they're just crisp enough.
Just hold it. Oh. Thank you. Mmm.
It's so good.
Mm-hmm.
It's sweet and buttery, and like the sugar on top caramelized.
Yeah, it's like the perfect texture because it's kind of crispy on top,
Mhm.
and then the inside is so soft.
Yes.
And then there's peach. It's so good.
It's very good. Oh, yes, for your second bite, you should add some powdered sugar on top.
Or whipped cream. If you have dairy-free whipped cream, I don't need it. I'm like, I don't need it.
Oh my gosh.
I sprayed the inside.
You can add all different kinds of toppings to this dish.
Mmm.
That was a pretty big bite.
Mmm. That was the best bite.
So now we have 3 little special guests joining us. First we have Eli. Yay! Edwin. And Summer. Now they're gonna try the dessert.
It just looks so tasty.
They're the judges.
It's too good to eat.
Mmm. It's so crispy, sugary, it's soft. It kind of tastes like brown sugar.
And just, this is like the best thing I've ever had.
And it's so warm.
Yeah, it's really warm. It really good.
I think we did a good job.
I think we did a great job.
But yes, you get it free.
Yes.
Yeah. We tricked her.
This thing is insanely good.
Have another one of these.
I recommend trying it.
Thanks
for baking with us today.
And don't forget to like,
Subscribe and hit the notification button.
Leave a comment of any other recipes that you want to try.
And let me know if you tried this recipe at home.
And we'll see you next time!
Hi, I'm Hailey, and today...
Hi, I'm Ella. Wait, and today...
I don't know.
Don't make me laugh again. The live audience has to cooperate.
Yes.
Hi, I'm Hailey, and today is a very special... What?
Selfie time, man.
I was about to say hi, I'm Ella.
You're not Ella. I'm Ella. So let's get all these ingredients in here. Okay. Let's see how that went. Hi, I'm Ella, and wait, what are we saying?
Oh, today we're making dairy-free peach dumplings.
Oh, right. Okay, sorry. So let's get all the ingredients in here.
What?
How did you do that? Those are really good cookies.
ingredients in here.
Those are really, really good lemon cookies.
Did we say it in
Yeah, you did a good job. Okay, is that it?
Yeah.
Let's do it.